Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of Python, which is isclose. Isclose function is mainly used to compare two values, and here we can also provide some tolerance values as well. If you are not providing any tolerance value, then it will take the default value, where relative tolerance default value is 1 e to the power minus 9, and absolute tolerance value for uh, isclose method is 0. Okay, but if you are not providing any tolerance value, then it will take default. Otherwise you can specify your own relative and absolute tolerance value. To explain this function, here I have noted down three scenarios, so one by one we will discuss each scenario. So look at the first scenario. Before we go and see the before we go and discuss the process for this isclose method, let me tell you one thing. Like, to use this function, we need to import one module, which is math module. Once your math module is imported, then we can easily utilize this function throughout the program. So here on line number 6 we have imported the math module, and then we are using the function from a module like math dot isclose, and first argument is the expression, which is 0.1 and 0.2. So firstly it will calculate 0.1 and 0.2, and then compare it with the second argument, which is 0.3, and whatever the output it will return will get stored into the result variable. And this function only returns the boolean value, so it could be either true or false. Okay, so you can see this is the overall syntax, and default value is 1 e to the power minus 9 and 0, because we are not providing here, right? Now look at the second scenario. In second scenario, what we are doing, we are using math.isclose method, and the value is 0.1 plus 0.2, and the second argument is 0.4. So you can see 0.1 and 0.2 is 0.3, which is not equal to 0.4, and then it is returning the output false. Let me run this program and show you the output. So on terminal I am writing python space session 95.py. So first output is true, and for second scenario it is false, which is correct. Now look at the third scenario. In third scenario, we are providing the value as 0.1 plus 0.2, and the second argument is 0.4, and also we are providing the tolerance value. So tolerance value is minus 1 to the 1 to the power e minus 9, 1 e to the power minus 9, and absolute tolerance value is 1 e to the power minus 9. So it is returning the output as false. So this is how we can utilize this isclose method. So whenever there is a requirement where you want to check whether the input value is equal or not, then you can easily utilize this function. So yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.